There are some parts which you can exchange in the center console of the SLS. We'll start though with the complete removal of the center console. Unscrew 2 screws under the rear flap. Afterwards, move the armrest back a little. Lever out the rubber mat using a screwdriver. This way you have access to another 2 screws. The handrest can be taken off easily. Under it are 2 screws. Then remove the plastic tray. Under it are 2 screws. Now you can take off the cover of the rear part of the center console. Make sure to disconnect the plug connections. The electronic ignition switch is part of the rear cover. Exchange it if required. Back inside the vehicle, the front cover of the center console is fastened with 2 screws. And you can take off the cover. Remember to disconnect the plug connections on the underside. The front cover is made up of the air conditioning operating device, the AMG DRIVE unit, and the COMAND operating device. Next up is the head unit. In the upper edge, undo both hold screws on the left and right. The head unit is secured on both sides with 2 latches. Using a screwdriver, simply move the latches upwards. Here too, there are a lot of plug connections to disconnect. The upper operating unit can be taken from the head unit. The command display is next. First, unclip both covers. 2 screws are unscrewed on the left and right. Then take off the cover and the air nozzles in one piece. In the display itself, there are a few plug connections. And here at the end is an overview of all the removed parts.